How to link a Facebook page with Instagram. Before starting, make sure your Instagram account is set as a business account, as this is required for linking to a Facebook page. Open Instagram on your phone and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you are on your profile page, tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu. In the menu, select Account Type and Tools. Now, select Switch to Professional Account. Go through the setup process by tapping Continue to learn more. Now, you will see the option to connect a Facebook page. Tap Log into Facebook. If you are not already logged into your Facebook account, enter your credentials and log in. After logging in, select the Facebook page that you want to connect to Instagram and tap Connect. You can now go through additional steps to set up your professional account on Instagram, but these are optional. Your Instagram account is now connected to your Facebook page.